Hello, good afternoon, welcome. This is Waec, year 2018 comments past question. Question number 4 says an authorized a person authorized to sell the property of a company in a winding up is dash. A person authorized to sell the property of a company in a winding up is dash. When we say winding up simply means folding up. Is synonymous to what? Folding up, or company that is closing up. So option A are auctioneer, B an agent, C a liquidator, D a bailee. The correct option here is option B, an agent. An agent is a person or fellow that render functional help between two parties, particularly when we talk of selling of property. During transaction. That is an agent, not a bailee or liquidator or auctioneer. Auctioneer has to do is related to auctioning. So when something or when properties or consignment or product are in auctions, that is when auctioneer come in. But when we talk of winding up or folding up or closing up a company, an agent is involved. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.